In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious strawberry chia pudding recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy the video. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of almond milk, 4 tablespoons of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and strawberries. To the milk, we're going to add in our chia seeds. Add the maple syrup and mix completely. Pour this mixture into a glass jar. Now we're going to add the lid to the jar and screw it on very tight. Place this in the fridge overnight to set. Now we are going to cut the strawberries. We're going to cut the stems off of all of the strawberries, and we are going to slice half of them and dice the other half of them. We're going to take our chia pudding out of the fridge and we're going to remove the lid. Then we're going to mix it together using a spoon. To plate it in a cup, we're going to add the diced strawberries on the bottom. Then add a layer of the chia pudding. We're going to add a layer of the sliced strawberries around the edge of the cup. Finally, add the remaining chia pudding on top. And the remaining diced strawberries. Add a full strawberry on top for decoration. Our strawberry chia pudding is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.